Namaskar, India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather briefing. Yesterday, the Madhya Pradesh received the extremely heavy rainfall. However, the Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Uttar Pradesh, Ghat areas of the Madhya Maharashtra, Sikkim and Tripura received very heavy rainfall at one or two places. And East Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh and Assam and Meghalaya reported heavy rainfall. And yesterday, the maximum 28 centimeter rainfall was reported over the East Madhya Pradesh. Similarly, maximum 22 centimeter rainfall was reported in the Datia district of the West Madhya Pradesh, and West Uttar Pradesh received maximum 15 centimeter of rainfall. And this is the today's chief synoptic features. So as we can see, the yesterday's depression over the Jharkhand has weakened into a well-marked low pressure area yesterday evening, and this well-marked low pressure area has further weakened into a low pressure area over the northeast Madhya Pradesh and adjoining areas on today morning. Monsoon trough basically passing through the Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, southwest Uttar Pradesh, then it goes through the low pressure area over northeast Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Odisha, and then it goes up to the northeast Bay of Bengal. In the middle troposphere levels, a western disturbance can be seen over the northern parts of the Pakistan. Because of these synoptic features, this is the satellite pictures. So as we can see, because of all those synoptic features, moderate to intense convection can be seen mainly over the West Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, northeast Madhya Pradesh, northeast Rajasthan and West Uttar Pradesh. And light to moderate convection can also be shown over some parts of the Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh. Moderate convection can be seen over the entire northeast India and some parts of the West India. And if because of all those synoptic features, basically because of the low pressure area over the northeast Madhya Pradesh very likely to receive heavy to very heavy rainfall activity during next 24 hours. And from tomorrow onwards, there will be the reduction in rainfall activity mainly over the Madhya Pradesh. Northwest India will continue to receive heavy rainfall activity during next 3 days. And from 8th of August, there will be the gradual reduction in rainfall activity over the northwest India. And when this low pressure area basically will recurve towards the Bihar, then the Bihar and Jharkhand is also likely to receive heavy rainfall mainly on 6th and 7th of August. However, there will be the subdued rainfall activity will continue over the South Peninsular India and the West India. And if you look for the today's weather warning, so today mainly the Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand very likely to receive very heavy rainfall activity at one or two places. However, the Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, East Rajasthan, Konkan and Ghat areas of the Madhya Maharashtra and Bihar will receive heavy rainfall activity at one or two places. However, the heavy rainfall activity will continue over the entire northeast India and Sikkim area. Because of the very heavy rainfall activity, we have given the orange alert mainly for the Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand for today. And from tomorrow, the only very heavy rainfall is continue over the East Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. However, the only heavy rainfall activity will be experienced at one or two places over the Jammu division, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, East Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh and Bihar. And northeast India will also receive heavy rainfall activity at one or two places. However, the remaining parts of the country will not experience any significant weather, but light rainfall activity will continue over some parts of the Peninsular India, East India, West India and West Rajasthan also. From 6th of August, the very heavy rainfall activity will be experienced over the East Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, and heavy rainfall will be experienced over the West Bengal and Jharkhand area. And over the northwest India, heavy rainfall will be activities likely over the Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh, and very heavy rainfall will be experienced over the Uttarakhand on 6th of August. And very heavy rainfall activity at one or two places will be also experienced over the Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Sikkim and Tripura region. We have given the orange alert mainly for the Bihar, East Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand for 6th of August. And on 7th of August, very heavy rainfall activity will be confined only to the Bihar and East Uttar Pradesh, and heavy rainfall activity at one or two districts will be experienced mainly over the Uttarakhand, West Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, West Bengal and parts of the northeast India. Similarly, on 8th of August, only heavy rainfall activity will be experienced mainly over the northern parts of the country, particularly over the Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya and Nagaland and Tripura. However, the remaining parts of the country, like remaining parts of the northwest India, particularly Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and entire central India, entire East India, Peninsular India as well as the entire West India, will receive only light rainfall activity at one or two places, and this is the flash flood guidance for next 24 hours, which is valid for the tomorrow before forenoon. So as we can see, within 24 hours, a light to moderate flash flood can be experienced in the few watershed of the south Uttarakhand, over the some watersheds of the Arunachal Pradesh, some watersheds of the Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur during next 24 hours. And because of the very heavy rainfall activity mainly over the Madhya Pradesh during next 24 hours, over Uttarakhand during next 3 days, and over the East Uttar Pradesh and mainly over the Bihar from 6th, 7th and 8th of August, the localized flooding can be seen over some parts of those regions, and there is also possibility of waterlogging mainly in the low-lying areas. Because of the very heavy rainfall activity over all those regions, there is a possibility of traffic disruptions, mainly the city areas of those regions, and there is some possibility of the damage to the horticulture and damage to the standing crops, and there is also possibility of some damage to the vulnerable structures like kacha roads, kacha ghars, huts, etc. And because of the very heavy rainfall activity, there is also some possibility of landslide and mudslide mainly over the hilly areas of the Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, and over the Uttarakhand. And so we advise you during any severe weather event, always follow the any traffic advisories if it is issued in this regard, and please be updated with the weather information, and always ignore to go to the areas which face the waterlogging problem very often, and always follow any guidance which are issued by the government in this regard. For more detailed weather information, you can visit the IMD website. You can follow us on our Facebook page, our YouTube channel, and our Twitter page. Thank you.